money controls the world. But the biggest wealth secrets stay hidden. Welcome to Bold Mysterious, where hidden financial truths become powerful wealth lessons. Have you ever looked around and wondered, why am I working so hard but still not getting ahead? You wake up every morning, you go to work, you spend hours building someone else's dream. You try to save money, but somehow, at the end of the month, almost nothing is left. And the most frustrating part? It feels like everyone else is moving forward, while you are standing still. The truth is, millions of people around the world feel the same way. They are not lazy, they are not careless. They are working harder than ever. But financial freedom feels impossible because the world around us has changed. The cost of living keeps rising, money loses its value, and the rules of the financial game are not always explained. Today, we will uncover why so many people struggle financially, and more importantly, how you can break the cycle. For generations, people were told one simple formula: work hard, get a good job, save money, and you will be successful. And for many years, this idea worked. A person could work one job, buy a house, support a family, and build wealth. But the modern world is different. Today, working hard alone is often not enough. Imagine two people. The first person earns money only from their job. Every month, they receive a paycheck. They pay rent. They pay bills. They buy food. They pay transportation costs. Whatever remains is saved. The second person also works hard. But they understand how money works. They invest. They build skills. They create extra income sources. The difference is not effort. Both people work hard. The difference is understanding the system. Because in today's economy, your income is only one part of the equation. What you do with your money after earning it decides your future. One of the biggest reasons financial freedom feels impossible is because expenses are increasing faster than we realize. A few decades ago, basic necessities were cheaper compared to income. Today, everything seems to demand more money. Housing costs are higher, education costs more, healthcare becomes expensive, technology creates new expenses, and while salaries increase slowly, prices often continue climbing. This is called inflation. Inflation means your money loses purchasing power over time. For example, imagine you have $100 today. Years later, that same $100 may not buy the same amount of things. The number on the money stays the same, but its power decreases. This creates a hidden problem. People think they are saving money, but sometimes they are watching their money become weaker. That is why simply storing cash is not always enough. Your money needs a mission. It needs to work for you. Another reason financial freedom feels impossible is because modern society is designed around spending. Every day, we see advertisements telling us, "You need this. Your life will be better with this. You deserve this luxury." Social media makes this even stronger. You see people showing expensive cars, vacations, and luxury lifestyles. But what you don't see is the full picture. Some people are building wealth, others are simply showing an image. The problem begins when we compare our real life with someone else's highlight reel. This creates emotional spending. People buy things not because they need them, but because they want to feel successful. A new phone, a bigger car, expensive clothes. Things that create temporary happiness, but long-term pressure. The wealthy mindset asks, will this purchase make me richer? The struggling mindset asks, can I afford the monthly payment? That small difference changes everything. Debt is another reason people feel trapped. Debt itself is not always bad. Used correctly, it can help build businesses. But harmful debt creates a cycle. A person buys something they cannot afford. They use credit, then they pay interest. Now their future income is already spent before they even earn it. Month after month, they work not for themselves, but to pay yesterday's decisions. The dangerous part is that debt feels easy at the beginning. Small payments, small commitments. But over time, these small payments become chains. The goal is to understand financial tools. Money should be controlled by you. Here is something surprising. Most people spend years in school, but never learn how money actually works. They learn history, they learn science, they learn mathematics, but many never learn how to invest, how to manage risk, how to build assets, how to create multiple income streams. So people enter adulthood with skills to earn money, but not to keep it. And when problems appear, they blame themselves. But the real issue is often a lack of financial education. The good news? Financial knowledge is available now more than ever. Anyone can learn, anyone can improve. Your financial future is not fixed. It can change with better decisions. So if financial freedom feels impossible, what can you do? The first step is simple. Control where your money goes. Track your expenses. Know exactly how much comes in and goes out. Because you cannot improve what you do not measure. The second step, stop only thinking about income. Start thinking about assets. Assets are things that can create value over time. Investments, businesses, skills, systems, anything that helps money grow. The third step, increase your financial skills. A person who understands money has more opportunities. Learn about investing. Learn about saving. Learn about creating value. The goal is not becoming rich overnight. Real wealth is built slowly, through consistent decisions. The biggest transformation happens when you change the way you think. Poor decisions come from short-term thinking. I want it now. I need to look successful. I will worry about the future later. But wealth is built by people who think differently. They delay unnecessary rewards. They invest before spending everything. They focus on building something that lasts. Financial freedom is not about having unlimited money. It is about having control, the ability to make choices, the ability to live without constant financial fear. If you feel like financial freedom is impossible, remember this: the system may be challenging. Expenses may be rising. The world may be changing, but your decisions still matter. Small improvements repeated for years create massive changes. Start learning, start planning, start building, because the person who understands money has a chance to change their future. And the journey to financial freedom begins with one simple step: taking control.